hot out yesterday.
Gosh.
Yeah, another warm day on tap.
I know. What season is it? You know, winter was like summer, spring was like winter, and now it's like summer again.
I like summer. Hey, come early.
Just
That's fine
summer
for
all
me.
year. There we go.
Yes, because we get off early, we go to the beach, right?
That's true. We're lucky like that, right?
Yes, and speaking of lucky, Lucky's was actually one of our picks of the morning today, sending in this
Hey.
shot from Montecito. Well, look, that's our beach.
Free
We
steaks
live
for
here.
everyone.
Wouldn't that be nice? Yeah, thank you guys for sharing that photo on Facebook. And we also got this one from Colin Kilpatrick this morning. Beautiful clouds with the sun over the water. This is how lucky we are to live here. Now, of course, if you want to be our pick of the morning, tweet at Facebook or send me an email and we'll give you a shout out on air. We love to see your pictures and your views of where we live. This is actually our sunrise this morning, almost like that picture we just saw right here in Santa Barbara. And temperatures a little bit on the cooler side, but as we were talking about those heat up, this is actually going to feel nice as to what we're going to see as we get later into the day. But no clouds pretty much anywhere up and down the coast unless you look into the mountains, seeing some there, also down near Ojai. But over the next couple of days, our futurecast is not picking up on much. In fact, let's move the clock ahead to tomorrow morning. Pretty much the same story. Not much going on. Gorgeous sunrise to get out and get that picture. And even into early Thursday morning. Now, I know it's not being picked up on this model, but we could see some morning fog in Santa Maria up into San Luis Obispo County, so we'll keep an eye on that for you if that's going to impact your travel. But here's what we can expect today. As I was just saying, daytime highs again far above average. Montecito 84, Santa Barbara at 85, and as we head up the coast, 84 in Santa Maria, 85 in Buellton, inland close to 90 in Santa Ynez. So don't forget the sunscreen as well as maybe a bottle of water to stay hydrated. At the beaches, upper 60s to low 70s in SLO County, inland going to be much warmer. And then down in Ventura County, if you head inland toward Ojai, Santa Paula, you're going to break into the 90s today. Could set some records. We'll have all those details for you once we hit our daytime highs today. But here's what we can expect. A cool down is coming. We just got to wait a few more days for it. We'll start off with Santa Barbara, 85 today, 78 tomorrow, and then we'll start to see a little bit more clouds move in as we get toward the weekend, as well as some cooler air, which is actually going to be close to normal as we get into the 60s. Santa Maria, same thing for you. This is the warmest day of this next 7, and then we're going to cool off and stay dry as we head into the weekend. Here's your 7 days. San Luis Obispo, 84 today, 80 tomorrow, and then by the weekend we drop back into the low 70s with cooler temperatures and chances for that morning fog. Paso Robles, 88 today, 87 tomorrow, and you stay in the 80s all the way through Friday before dropping down to the 70s for one day and then back up to the 80s next Sunday and Monday. So we're going to have a slight cool down, but it's looking like as of right now, once high pressure builds back in the beginning of next week, we could be seeing 80-degree temperatures everywhere up and down the coast again.
Wow.
Almost 90 degrees. Wow.
I know.
Okay.
Hard to believe.
Not so bad. Thank you, Meredith.